I have watched over 100 hours of trading tutorials this month, and honestly, I'm still not profitable. That's because watching a video isn't the same as having an edge. Today, I'm stopping the tutorial hell and actually doing the work. I'm backtesting my strategy on a week straight to see if I actually have a chance in the 2026 market or if I'm just dreaming. If you are new here, I am Talisha. I am a 17-year-old student currently balancing class 12 science preparation with the goal of building a legacy in the market. I am not a guru and I have not passed any funded account yet. I am just a student documenting the raw, unfiltered journey from zero. This channel is my accountability partner.
So now,
I'm testing a mix of price action, liquidity, and support resistance, specifically looking at liquidity sweeps during the 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST window, which is New York session. Why I'm showing you this? Because most people only show the after the profits and the cars, the luxury. I want to show the before. I'm going to show you the setups that fail, the times I read the bias wrong, and the actual win rate of this strategy before I put a single rupee of real capital at risk. By the way, this is the free software where I do backtesting. I have been trading for a year now. Here's my process. I go back to the start of the week, hide the future price, and look for my entry criteria. I'm looking for a liquidity sweep of the previous day's high or any support resistance, followed by market structure shift. Watch how I mark these zones. If it hit my stop loss, I log it. If it hit my target, I log it. No ego, just data. Let me first explain you the chart. Let's explain the indicators. This is volume, this is EMA cross, this is 50, and the yellow one is 200. The session indicators, these are sessions. The red box is Asian session. The blue box is London session, and the upcoming yellow box will be New York session. You can see the time is 6:27. Let's replay, and we will see that when should we take the trade. We will just look for liquidity sweep. Okay, this is a very big wig. The market is okay. The market trend is uptrend, but we will not consider this as a sweep. Let's see what happens. The market is still up. This is also not a liquidity sweep because you can see the volume, it's too high for the bullish. The bias is mostly bullish. Even if it comes down, we will wait for a confirmation, then only take the trade. And you can see the volume is decreasing here. In this, you can see the volume is decreasing. We are not gonna sell. This is not a perfect sweep to buy. I will not buy this because you can see here it has sweep. We will wait for confirmation. If we get a confirmation, we will buy, otherwise we will not. Okay, this is not a confirmation. You can see the pips, it's too big. We cannot buy this and keep our stop loss here because this is like 11 pips, which is not good. Nor do I think the market will move too big up. You can see the pips of London session. It's like 14.3 or 4. We can see here 14.4. I have put the pips, and Asian session, it's too big. 54.6. You can see it's 54.6. Most probably, not always, but whenever Asian session gives a big moment, there's chances that New York session will also give a big move. But today, I don't think that will happen because you can see we cannot take this as a confirmation. You can see the volume is decreasing for buyers. You can clearly see volume decreasing. Volume is decreasing. We are not gonna buy, nor we are gonna sell. It's not a setup, it's not our setup, so we will not take this trade. Nor we are going to sell because we cannot see the sell momentum too. Now this is a sweep, so we're just not gonna take any trade. It's just, you can see it's consolidating. Clearly, it's just consolidating. It gave among almost like 30 pips more. Profit or loss, it was nothing, so we will just make it zero because we didn't had any profit, not any loss, because we are not taking the trade. We didn't took any trade because we didn't found any setup. Now, I would say it's important not to always take a trade. You know, trading is 10% working and 90% it's patient. You have to wait. Okay, I have not traded a lot this month because of the market behavior. So let's see what happens. I've not took this trade too. It's 6:27. So okay, its market is open with a very strong bullish candle. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got a red candle, but it's not a perfect confirmation to sell, nor it's a sweep. So we will not sell here. We will wait for a confirmation. Okay, this is the perfect candle. We got a sweep and we got even confirmation entry. We should keep our stop loss above this zone as it's the previous high, and our profit should be 1:2, which is this. Okay, so you can see this is a trend line, so it's very like the chances are very likely that it will come till here. So we will take this trade. It's um it's around 3.8 pips. So 50 divided by 3.8, which is 13. So our position should be this. Our position should be 0.13. If this zone was not there, I would have put my stop loss here. We can see a $50. We will risk $50 and our target will be $100. Yeah, it's $100. Okay, we hit our target. It's a profit. You can see our P&L. We are on a profit. It was a perfect trade. Now we can see this. It's 67.3 pips. Wow, it was too big. 67.3 pips. It was a profit. We will write here $100 profit. If the London session gives less momentum than the Asian session, there is more likely the chance that New York session will give a big momentum. Let's see the trend on 4 hours. It's a downtrend. The price is consolidating. Liquidity can be here too, this area. It can be here. Okay, it's 6:30. Market has opened bearish. I see a very strong bearish volume. You can see most likely a bias will be bearish. Let's see. Okay, yeah. We will wait for a confirmation candle. You can see now there are two chances. It's a trend line, so market can go up. The candles can go up or it will come down. it will consolidate or give a confirmation and then go down. We'll wait for confirmation. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we got a perfect confirmation. We can see after this is a confirmation candle, because as you can see the bearish candles, and then as we get a bullish candle, after that we can buy at the second bearish candle. We'll keep our stop loss here and keep our stop loss here, and our target should be 1:2. Hmm. We will, as per always, we will just 1% of our capital and aim for 2%. It's 3.8. Yes, the pips are 3.8. So we will simply divide 50 with we will divide 50 with 3.8, which will give 13. So it's okay, it's 13 only. So we will sell. This is our stop loss, 50, and our target, our profit should be target should be 100. Okay, it's 100. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, oh my god, you can see that it was a very big candle, and in one candle our target is hit. It's a perfect trade. A target was hit. A target was reached in just one candle, which is awesome. You can see the P&L, it's 200 now. This was 24th of December. So we only take one trade per day. So 24th. We will go for 25th. Well, 25th December is holiday. So because of Christmas, so the market were closed. The pips, it's 45.1, and we gained $100 profit. Okay, 25th is a holiday. Okay, it's bullish. You can see the big wig. Trend. Let's see what happens. As you can take the lowest point of the session at this point, so you can see the market took the liquidity and then went up. So the chances are it will go up. Let's see for open. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I took very I took little ahead, but okay, it's fine. You can see we got a confirmation. We will not sell. It's not a sell because you can see the markets are more bullish. You can see the volume. The sellers are decreasing, and you will not consider this small as a sweep, perfect sweep. And the EMAs are also in favor of bullish, and the trend was also bullish. And because it swept a very big liquidity, so we will go bullish. Confirmation candle. We will keep a stop loss here and below the candle wick, and we will aim for 1:2, which is okay. It's 1:2. It's more. I think the more probably it will go up, because you can see the EMAs are in the direction supporting uptrend, and you can see a big liquidity sweep, so it will go up. Let's see what happens. This is 3.6. So we will look for positioning. 50 divided by 3.6 would be 13. Okay, it's same. We will just buy, put our stop loss at 50, little below, and the target should be 100. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see. Okay, so it hit our target and it's a profit. As the trend was bullish, so most probably it was going to be bullish. You can see it's a profit and it's Friday, so we completed the week for back testing. We will just note down the points. Okay, you can see a very big move. We will not gain for this much big move. We only want 1:2 and that's it. We just close our trade. We are not going to be greedy. And as I said always, that the if the Asian session gives big movement and London session is smaller than the Asian session movement, New York session is most probably gonna give a big momentum. It's 46.2. So okay, it's 46.2 here, and this is 100. So it was a profitable week. Let's see the analytics. Yeah, our win rate is 100%. Well, no strategy has a 100% win rate. It was 100% because this was a good week and we skipped the first trade. Account balance is $300. We risk 1% of our trade. That's why the data doesn't lie. The strategy has, well, I have tested this strategy before and it's mostly 70 to 80% win rate. It's good with 2:1 risk to reward ratio. It's not perfect, but it's a start. Next week, I am taking this rules into the live market for my first officially weekly trade recap. I will also be sharing my trading rules in the next video. Subscribe to see if a 17-year-old with a laptop and a plan can actually turn this data into reality in 2026. Let's get to work.